More is better, right? More reps, more sets, more time in the gym. That's what we're told. But what if that's a lie? What if maximizing your gains actually comes from minimizing your effort? Sounds crazy. Stick around, because today we're diving into the minimalist mindset for maximum results. If you're ready to break your limits and sculpt the physique you've always dreamed of, then Bulk Up Bro is your channel. Let's face it, the world of fitness can be overwhelming. You're bombarded with conflicting advice, flashy products, and the pressure to keep up with the latest trends. But what if I told you the secret to achieving your fitness goals lies in stripping away the complexity and embracing a minimalist mindset? The power of minimalism. Think about it. How often have you jumped from one workout program to another, chasing the next big thing, only to end up right back where you started? Or perhaps you've invested in expensive equipment that promised to transform your body, but now it's gathering dust in the corner. The truth is, more doesn't always equal better. In fact, it can often lead to confusion, frustration, and ultimately, giving up. Focus and consistency. So, what's the alternative? We've talked about the problem with the more is better mindset. Now, how do we break free from that? It's about shifting your focus. Instead of always adding more, we're going to strip things down to the essentials. We're going to move from quantity to quality, from complexity to simplicity. It's about embracing the power of minimalism. Think about your current fitness routine. What are the core exercises that give you the most bang for your buck? What are the nutritional habits that truly fuel your body? And most importantly, what's the mindset that drives your actions and keeps you motivated? Identify those essential elements and strip away everything else. All that extra stuff, it's just noise. It's cluttering your mind and hindering your progress. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, but won't that make my workouts too easy? Won't I get bored? That's where consistency comes in. And let me tell you, consistency is the real secret weapon in your fitness journey. But what does consistency really mean? It's not just about showing up at the gym every day and going through the motions. It's about making deliberate choices, day in and day out, that align with your goals. It's about creating a sustainable routine that you can stick to, not just for a few weeks or months, but for the long haul. Think about it. How many times have you started a new workout program with the best intentions, only to fizzle out after a few weeks? Why do you think that happens? Often, it's because the program is too complicated, too demanding, or simply not enjoyable. A minimalist approach is about finding what works for you and sticking with it. It's about understanding that small, consistent actions, performed over time, yield extraordinary results. It's like compound interest. The gains might seem small at first, but they accumulate over time, leading to incredible long-term growth. So, I want you to think about this. What's one small change you can make today that you can stick with consistently? Maybe it's adding a 15-minute walk to your daily routine. Maybe it's swapping out sugary drinks for water. Maybe it's taking 5 minutes each morning to visualize your fitness goals. Whatever it is, make it small, make it sustainable, and make it consistent. Benefits of minimalist mindset. Now, you might be thinking, but won't a minimalist approach limit my progress? The answer is a resounding no. In fact, a minimalist mindset can actually accelerate your gains. By focusing on the essentials and eliminating distractions, you create mental space for growth. You develop a deeper understanding of your body and its needs. You become more attuned to the signals it's sending you. But it's not just about physical gains. A minimalist approach to fitness can also lead to greater mental clarity, reduced stress, and improved overall well-being. When you simplify your routine, you free up time and energy for other areas of your life. You cultivate a sense of control and purpose. You develop a more mindful and sustainable approach to health and fitness. Remember, achieving your fitness goals is not about doing more. It's about doing less, but doing it better. It's about cultivating a minimalist mindset that prioritizes focus and consistency. It's about embracing the power of simplicity and trusting the process. Are you ready to embrace the minimalist approach and unlock your true fitness potential? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fitness inspiration. If you love this video, you'll probably like the next one.